I'm enamored. I love these guys.
Welcome back, everybody. This is an episode you're going to want to see. This is amazing. It's awesome. It is incredible. But first, who are we? This is Soarin Scratchin. I am the Eagle fan. And my friend.
That makes me Evil Chicken. How are you? Thank you for joining us today. Dave. Oh my. We were talking before this video, so I have an idea about what this is. However, I have not heard this yet, so I'm kind of jazzed. What you got?
This is something that caught me off guard when I saw it a couple days ago. It's only been out for a few days, I believe. I think maybe a week.
Oh, wow.
And it's a group that we've seen before. There's one other video that we've reacted to on here. This is a Japanese group, Ningen Isu. The song is Toshishun.
I am so intrigued.
Now, I've reacted to this on my channel.
Yeah, I didn't watch it. I saw the video, but I was like, I can't watch it.
Well, I put you under strict order that we're gonna react to this, so don't.
There we are. Okay.
And I thought it sucked, to be honest with you. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Stop writing the evil letters down there. I am not going to say what I thought.
Okay.
Just so it doesn't color your opinion, but I don't think it would anyway.
We want to keep the integrity.
Yeah.
If you could call it that.
There you go. So we're keeping his reaction pure.
There we go.
So,
this is a great band. Oh, I can't wait.
Are you ready?
I happen to be.
I'm ready. And they look like they are ready too. Thank you. Here we go. I like that start.
Yeah.
So what'd you think?
I think that was awesome.
Thank you.
I think that was just the intro. At least I hope that was just the intro.
I like that intro. It was nice.
Oh, I did too. That was awesome. For some reason, it was channeling the 70s to me, man. You know, it's got that.
I could see that. Yeah.
I just really was digging it.
Well, let's get back because the guitar just kicked.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. More thoughts?
Oh, I'm enamored. I love these guys. The guitar, the bass, the drums. It's like three forces of nature that just come together. I so dig these guys. Hey, what can I say?
Yeah, I'm glad I just somehow randomly stumbled upon
Oh
these
my
guys.
god, I am
This,
so happy that you found these guys because they're just amazing. They're just amazing.
yeah,
I
and
would love to see them live.
I like the video as well.
Yeah,
The
it's very
video's got
cool.
some cool elements to it.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, very cool, very cool. The bass player's dressed like an oni, and it's just awesome. It's just it's so cool.
He looks like he's having so much fun when he's playing too.
Yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely. Yeah,
Okay,
I'm in, man. I'm in. I love it.
okay. Let's get back to the dad rock.
Yes.
Shows that we can still rock at our age, right?
Oh, that's true.
I like that it changes stuff like that. Okay, before we get into what'll probably be the final part,
Yes.
let me hear some more thoughts. I,
Same as the old thoughts. They're very cool.
okay,
I'm really digging it.
yeah, I like when they do the little change ups, and
Yes.
it kind of reminds me of the first song of theirs that we heard, "Heartless Scat," in a
Yes.
way. Not to the extreme is what that one was. Remember that one? It seemed like it's almost like we listened to like three different songs all in
It's
that
true.
same song.
It's true. Yeah, Artless Scat has that ability. It's got a lot going on, and this has a
Yeah,
lot going on too. Um, but hey, I I'm just really really digging this band. That's
yeah,
all I
well,
got. That's all
definitely.
I
We
got.
gotta see somehow where we can see them. I, I
Man,
don't know if they tour outside of Japan.
I don't know.
No
Especially
idea.
now with COVID, I don't
Oh
know.
yeah,
I don't know. But
Well, we
Pretty
will have to
awesome.
get there sometime then.
Wouldn't that be amazing? Oh my gosh. Yeah, that'd be amazing.
Vakken, Japan, um, Sweden,
I don't mind this
Finland,
trip. This would be a good trip. We should
many
do
places we want to get to.
this. Indeed.
Spain,
Indeed.
maybe. Wasn't that
Hey,
where Resurrection Fest was?
yes, it was. Yes, it was. Or is. I don't know if they've had it yet or not. But good grief.
Well, let's hear the rest.
Yes, let's
I,
do it.
I also wanted to break it up just in case. Don't know where any kind of copyright, calls
Oh,
anything out.
I
So
see, said the blind man.
so that's kind of why I wanted to do that. Especially, I did that with the one that I did because once you see at the beginning when it starts giving you almost like movie credits going into it, I thought, let me just do this just because I don't know if
I
it'll have
gotcha.
any kind of harsher, um, you know, copyright laws or anything or restrictions against it.
Gotcha. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry.
So,
Please forgive me.
okay. So let's get back. Like that driving guitar.
Yeah.
お父さんいずれそちらに伺いますのでお母さんお顔をがめずお許しください年中を寒いのです世界が冬なのです争いが絶えるのです顔は菩薩腹はアシュラコシシュンコシシュンコシシュン酔っ払う心の声がコシシュンコシシュンコシシュン諭す心の声が道は己でつかめと
Nice. Nice. It ends
Yeah.
with some of those Brian May chords, like from Queen. It's like, whoa.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Because
Very good
initially
call
it's
out on that.
like you got that Black Sabbath, you got that Ozzy Osbourne sound, and then it ends with Brian May. It's awesome. You know what? Yeah, man, I'm a fan. I love this band. Love them.
Yeah. These guys are good. I
Yeah, they are.
definitely want to see them sometime if
Yeah,
ever
same here.
possible. And like I said, I'll see if I
Absolutely.
can find a live video or something for us to see.
Definitely. Definitely. Thank you,
Yeah.
Dave. I'm so glad that I
Certainly.
saved myself for this particular moment.
I'm glad.
Very cool.
I definitely liked it. I want to hear more from them.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know there's another song of theirs that we've both heard. I forget what it was called. I remember asking you about it, and you said, "Yeah, if you'd seen that after we saw the first
Yeah.
one."
Yeah. When you
Um,
introduced me to them, I sort of went on a tear. And yeah, I'm a fan. Definitely.
Very cool.
Definitely.
Let
Ah,
us know out there what you guys think.
yeah.
What do you think? What
Please.
do you know about them? Have you seen them live? If so, let us know the details.
When we went on a tear, we actually, we looked at everybody's comments as well concerning Ningen Isu rather, and yeah, that like lit a fire under our butts. And then when this came out, I was like, oh,
Well, I'm
ah,
glad you waited.
yes, me too,
And
me
was
too.
it good for you too?
It was amazing. I will never forget it.
Glad you all could have been here for this then.
Yes,
So,
indeed. Thanks, everybody.
yes. And with that said, and this is
Yes,
no pressure here,
none
but
whatsoever.
this is appreciated. A like, comment, and subscribe, and click on that little bell over there. That'll let you know when we have a new video out.
Yes, it's all
Definitely.
true.
Always appreciated.
Never pressured.
Yeah. We're here. We're having fun.
It's what we
We
do.
are looking forward to more coming up, such as these guys right here.
Oh my, indeed.
That'll be coming up in less than a month.
Gonna be amazing. Just
Yes,
saying.
that's going to be a fun weekend.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it should be. It should be.
The grand opening the day before that,
Oh my gosh, that's right.
or the
Yeah.
grand reopening
It's gonna be a busy weekend.
slash toy
Yes, our friends
festival
from
show.
again.
Hello?
Uh-oh. You there? Ah,
There.
hello.
Yes, I can hear you now.
As I was saying, our friends from Farpoint Toys and Comics, after several misadventures, including COVID and a fire, they are about to open up their doors again. So I'm very excited. And it's the It's a Toy Show, which is awesome. If you haven't seen it, you need to go. Well, let me see here. When will it be? It's going to be on this.
September 4th.
Thank you. September 4th. It's going to be something to see. And then, of course, on the 5th, we have Avatar.
Yes, we do. That's going to be fun. And
My
then
goodness.
on,
Good weekend.
I forget what day that is, we have the Struts.
I think that's Thursday. And then I think we have something on Wednesday, or is that the week after for The Who?
The Who may be the week after.
And then on Saturday or Sunday, it's Shinedown.
It's Saturday.
Ah, there, fair enough. And then a couple weeks after that is the MM Barbecue.
Yeah.
Good Lord.
It's
We're
going to
back,
be
baby. Yes.
But
yes.
speaking of our friends from Farpoint,
Yes. Oh, yes.
we have a road trip coming up,
Yes, we do.
which
Yes,
we
do.
need to discuss offline, get some plan
True.
for that day. But you're going to see us. We might even go live
It could happen.
at some point during that road trip.
Yes.
And then we'll also probably have a video based on it. So
I certainly hope so.
it's
Awesome.
going to be fun.
It just so happens that one of the co-owners of Farpoint is also one of the lead guitar players in one of our favorite local bands, Solus. Yeah, we're heading to Maryland. It's going to be a great show. Should be fun. Just saying.
Yes. Looking
Oh,
forward to it.
Ah,
So, we've gotten sidetracked a bit again. I'm sorry. But
me
it's
too.
kind of what we do. So,
Yeah.
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 So,
It
thank
is.
you guys. Thank you for
Indeed.
making it this far.
Yes.
And be good to each other. Because
Please.
we just need more of that.
Indeed. And in the process, keep staying healthy.
Definitely. Because then your eyes will be healthy. And if your eyes are healthy, you can keep them to the sky and see something maybe amazing, maybe wonderful, maybe just normal, average, everyday stuff.
Which
But
is pretty amazing.
yes,
If you think
you,
about it.
you need to keep an eye out and just enjoy life.
Indeed. Indeed. And in the process, keep your ear to the ground to hear what's coming next. Because you never know. Change is the one constant in the universe. And it doesn't necessarily have to be bad changes, it can be good changes too.
This is true. Thank you guys. Take care.
Indeed. Thank you. Peace.